Welcome, culinary explorers, to another Food Brainwash video. Today we delve into the rich tapestry of herbs and spices that can elevate and transform your cooking into an art. Herbs are the leaves and stems of plants. They can be used fresh or dried. Spices are the seeds, roots, and bark and are usually dried. They need to be cooked around a minute to stop the flowery taste. The aromatic herbs: rosemary, thyme, coriander, and mint. Rosemary, with its needle-like leaves, brings a woody fragrance and a hint of citrus, perfect for meats, roast potatoes, and breads like focaccia. Thyme, delicate yet robust, enhances soups and poultry with its earthy tones. Mint, with its cool, refreshing zing, breathes life into teas, salads, and desserts. Coriander or cilantro offers a citrusy, refreshing burst, a staple in global cuisines from Mexican to Thai. Knowledge check: which herb is celebrated for its refreshing zing and is a staple in both teas and Mediterranean salads? Answer: mint. The flavorful leaves: tarragon, chives, parsley, sage, and basil. Tarragon, with its bittersweet aroma, is a French cuisine favorite, elevating sauces and chicken dishes. Chives, subtle and onion-like, add a fresh touch to potatoes and dips. Parsley, versatile and bright, garnishes and enriches with its clean taste. Sage, earthy and peppery, is a hallmark of Italian and British cooking. Basil, the essence of summer, is synonymous with pesto and Italian tomato dishes. Bay leaves are a staple in stews and soups. It is often used in its dried form to imbue dishes with a rich depth during cooking. Knowledge check: identified by its bittersweet aroma and affinity for chicken dishes, which herb is a cornerstone of French cuisine? Answer: tarragon. Star anise, cinnamon, cloves, saffron, and nutmeg. Star anise, with its licorice flavor, is essential in Chinese and Vietnamese broths. Cinnamon is both sweet and warm. It is beloved in desserts and savory dishes alike. Cloves are intense and aromatic. They are used to spice up meats and hot beverages. Saffron, prized for its golden hue and subtle taste, graces dishes like risotto and paella. Nutmeg, sweet and nutty, complements baking and creamy sauces. The center is also used and called mace. Knowledge check: this spice, known for its golden color and luxurious flavor, is often touted as the world's most expensive. Can you name it? Answer: saffron. It is the stamens gathered from crocus flowers. Ground ginger, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, and peppercorns. Grated and ground ginger, with its fiery zest, invigorates sweets and curries. Cumin seeds, earthy and aromatic, are indispensable in Middle Eastern and Indian cuisines. Peppercorns, the king of spices, offer a piquant heat, elevating every dish they grace. Knowledge check: which seed, that is earthy and aromatic, is a fundamental spice in the creation of curry powders and spice blends? Answer: cumin seeds. Spices should be stored in airtight jars on a spice rack out of the sun. They will lose their potency over time. Herbs can wilt and rot if not stored properly. Wash and dry thoroughly. Store between sheets of kitchen paper in the fridge. Soft herbs can be placed in a jar of water and stored in the fridge. May your kitchen be a canvas for the vibrant palette of herbs and spices we've discovered today. Subscribe to Food Brainwash and like this video for more culinary explorations. Until next time, keep savoring the flavors of the world. Random pic of my cute cat.